Hey yo, welcome back to another live stream, guys. Sorry for the jump scare. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Rat Chef is here. Rat Chef. Say hi, man. We just ready to cook. Look at this guy. How's it going, people? How's it going? All right. Rat Chef is in the background, just chilling. Okay, this is the episode, what? I don't know, probably 8. Squeaks quietly. Yeah. This is the episode, whatever, and we just like grinding as always. You know how it goes, man. You know how it goes. We got one of my favorite drinks out here. Like, we have this mineral water. Bey Pazarı. This is the real shit. If you know, you know. This is the real shit. Banger, man. So good. It's full. I haven't touched it. Let me just take a sip real quick. Definitely not sponsored, but I mean, I wish, man. I wish. Best shit ever. Also, oh my god, we're busting today, guys. Look at this busted ass apple water. Boom, we got all kinds of good drinks. We have everything. We have everything. Ready to grind, ready to turn apple water into some shitty code. Let's get it, people. So, in case you're new here, which I don't think so, but if you're new here, my name is Rat Shaker. That's not Elm, that's Giga Elm. Yeah. My name is Rat Shaker. I shake rats, and we just writing some Rust code to add some more rats to cargo. And yeah, I mean, today I'm mostly going to be performance stuff and just taking a look at the issues and just hacking away. That's gonna be the thing. And if you watched the previous stream, I think it was on Tuesday, I discovered that my code base, my data structure is slow as hell. Today I fixed that, and I'm gonna show you how I did that. So if you remember, I was just like, at some point I expanded all the nodes. So okay, let me just show you cargo tree first. You know, cargo tree, boom, you have a tree. And in our case, we have a interactive tree. So at some point I expanded everything, and it was like, hey man, hey Conan, the rat shaking will continue until the code base improves. Absolutely. Where do I know you, Conan? Did you join the streams before? I think I know. Wait, I might know. I don't know. Just remind me if I know you and forgot. But I remember your nickname from somewhere. Yes, absolutely. What up, Jane? What up, my man? How's it going? Nice to see you here on the streams. After a while, been a while, man. How's it going? I hope everything is fine, guys. Just W's in the chat for my homie. I visited him this summer. It was actually winter in Mauritius, but whatever. I don't know why the username changed now. Yeah, I mean, I remember it was Conan something, but it's now changed. But yeah, so yeah, awesome person. Welcome, man. So at some point I expanded everything. It was slow as hell. So now check this out. W Mauritius Beach Boys. Absolutely. We're gonna do that thing again. Hope you're doing fine and keep... Dude, I'm always grinding. I'm addicted to the grind. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna run it for the slow debug mode for you, and just for the worst performance, and it's still fast. Boom. We have hella fast tree traverse. Look at this speed, guys. Look at this, and every dependency is expanded now. everything is expanded. You can see on this top breadcrumb thing, and look at the freaking connections, man. Boom. This is what I'm talking about. And something that I realized, maybe we should highlight the connections to the parent. But anyways, so now this is fast. This is hella fast, and I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm gonna explain how I achieved it and what was wrong actually. So super fast, absolutely super fast. So what I did was basically, I have a cache. So we have a cache. So I'm caching the visible nodes. So I don't calculate which part of the tree is visible. And yeah, that's one thing. There's actually two things. So I cache the visible nodes, and basically I do that with a flag. Let me just see real quick. I don't remember what I did actually. Maybe yeah, there's some updates here. Returns. Yeah, there you go. So this visible nodes thing is now cached basically. I'm just gonna fix some stuff here. These stuff for wipe code. Thank you, Codex, for your contribution. But let's see, rebuild visible. Yeah, basically a cache and nothing more. And the other thing that I did, in a second I'll show you. I'm gonna commit this. One sec. Actually, why did I change the signature to return? Yeah, it should be fine. So I'm just gonna commit this real quick. I'm gonna go to a new branch, performance, improve, okay, optimize. I'm gonna use fancy words here. Optimize traversal. Alright, and then I'm gonna commit this perf user cache for visible nodes. Okay, there you go. And the second thing, so if you use a cache, that's gonna give you some performance, but the second thing is more important, which I'm gonna work on now because I need to refactor that, is instead of rendering all the nodes in a huge wait, what? Oh, I forgot to add this. One sec. Instead of rendering all the nodes and just like scrolling the whole paragraph, I just render the visible ones. That's the thing that I changed basically. I'm gonna add this to that commit. Okay, there you go. Are you using delta diff? I think I'm using... What am I using actually? It's a good question. One sec, let me just check my git config. Diff... Yeah, I think I'm using delta, yeah. But I'm using something else as well. Oh no, I don't use anything else. Yeah, I use delta. Yep. You just pinpointed it. So the second thing is these changes basically, which is doing, like, it just checks the viewport and like renders the visible nodes instead of rendering everything and then kind of just trying to scroll the whole thing. we just like render the visible ones. So this was a bit wipe coded, so I'm gonna just need to refactor this because I don't like some parts of it. So build lineage is last. Okay, why do we need that actually? Render visible node. Okay, first of all, the music is banging tonight. Actually, I got some suggestion here about this, but I haven't implemented it. Okay, one sec. Just want to say I miss you, man. Man, I miss you too. We gotta plan something for next year. I think there was like a developer conference thing, big Google event or something like that, right? Let's plan something for that. Let me just come around again. I'm gonna actually save some money just for this trip because yeah, I just want to make it happen. I'm gonna maybe spend the rest of my money but save just for the tickets and stuff. But yeah, let's plan something for next year. Gonna be fun. I'm definitely planning to come back, by the way. I mean, if things go as planned, of course. You never know what's gonna happen. We live in a shitty world, and AI can take over any second. Stay safe, bro. Much love. Thank you, Mastermind Full 1051. Appreciate it. Yeah, developer conference, exactly. And the visible slice. And the visible node and lineage. I mean, I think that would be a good refactor. But let me just check, actually. Can I just like copy the whole thing? Would that work? Actually, let me just save my progress here. One sec. Yeah, absolutely. Jane. Warn me when AI is about to take over, gotta clear my nuclear bunker. Man. I'm gonna warn you, don't worry. If AI would take over, I would wanna play Rat Shaker one last time, man. I gotta play that shit, you know. I gotta play it. Rat Shaker. What the hell is going on here? Just like fixing AI's code, the fuck. Okay. What the frick? Since when are you using ChatGPT? I don't know. Like, do you mean generally? I mean, I use it. I use it like Google at this point. Just like ask questions to it. But I'm using Codex here actually. Let's just give this thing a go. If this works, I think it would be a nice refactor. I mean, I like it. It's not bad. It's bad because it's not super readable. It's not super readable. But maybe okay, you know what? I can actually just leave it as is and just continue on working the issues. because I think it's gonna be fine. As long as we have the correct behavior, I'm confident that I can just do the like detailed in-depth refactorings afterwards, because right now not sure if the code cleanness is a priority. Yeah, this would be nice to resolve today. Yeah, I'm gonna close this. Yeah, this is going to be closed in a second. Okay, let's give it a go. Make a video on how you set up codecs on NeoVim, and it's just a excuse me. It's just the Vim plugin, and that's all. You can also use it like in the terminal, but I just like use the NeoVim plugin. This seems like it's working, by the way, so okay, let's just give it a read. Oh my god, what the hell? Just restart the LSP. Can I restart the Git? Can I restart that? Because these stuff are actually wrong. Like, these are left over from the last comment. Selected ID. Oh, what is this doing? Oh, selected position. I think this is selected position. Do try Gemini when you can for Gemini, but yeah, people say that. I haven't tried it yet. Just to selected ID. Okay, it looks pretty clean. I like it. Let's see the render lines. Takes visible nodes. Let's just do it more explicitly. State, tree. Damn, it's taking a lot of things. Root label. Maybe a root label could be part of the style, but in style we have other stuff. Viewport, root line offset. Do we actually need that? I don't know. Okay, anyways. Top of the tree. Yeah, it's like slicing. I think here it's just like render count. What? I think I'm gonna call this max items or something. Max nodes. Yeah, makes sense. You ain't typing anything, is the AI was editing code, right? Yeah. I'm just reviewing at this point. For each ancestor from root to parent. We could probably make this thing a struct or something. It's just like this thing basically connects each item to each other, and I'm just gonna call this lineage. How do we actually use this lineage? So make indents, that's where we use it. Yeah, okay. Makes sense. It's pretty clean, I would say. It's pretty clean. So these stuff we didn't really touch. I think this is building the names. Populate. Create, yeah, create spans. There you go. One thing that I don't like is there's some functions that are like helpers, and there's some functions that are like UI elements. One sec. I think I'm gonna move this up. I'm thinking if we could refactor this actually, because this is some duplication here. We could probably, maybe no. But overall it works, so I'm gonna run this again, just to see how it looks like. Just gonna run it here. Yeah, nice. Good performance, I like it. It's super fast. All right. Let's run Clippy on it. Okay, too many arguments. Too many. Clippy. Which one has too many arguments? Render lines. We could probably... Total lines. Do we need this info? How do we get this info? Visible and root line offset. Root line offset is basically this, so we don't actually... we could remove that and just total lines. So visible, where is it? Okay, let total lines. Visible line plus. There you go. visible nodes len. The root label is from we can just root line. Oh, we have that already. So alright, should be good now. Seems like it is pretty good. Actually, let me try to see the other package here, because we have two packages. Alright. Let me just run Clippy again. Let's collapse this fixed statement. Sorry, if statement. All right. I'm gonna try to run this on rustlang. Cargo-tui. It crashes because it tries to load hella dependencies. I'm gonna see if that's the case still. It might crash in a second. Stack Overflow, but it takes a long time. I'm gonna run it in optimize mode. Release mode, I mean. Okay, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, there you go, Stack Overflow. I'll just run it on cargo. Cargo itself, let's see. Alright, that actually worked. It is kind of slow for some reason. I don't know why. It shouldn't be slow. Oh, it's not actually. It's alright, I think. And I don't have any oh man, so many stuff they have. Jesus. Okay, that's the whole cargo workspace. I mean, it works quite well. When everything is expanded, it's a bit slow though. But I think I can set a optimization level for this. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna commit this in a second. One sec. Visible nodes. Hello Bartek, what's poppin', man? How's it going? Taking a break from math. Quick one. Great. Hopefully it's gonna be refreshing for you. I mean, this live stream, you just come here and just watch me suffer with Rust. Node IDX. What the hell? Hello, Fakri Isra. Welcome, man. How's it going, people? We're just hacking away. Alright, I'm gonna just commit this, guys. I'm gonna commit this. Let's see this this thing in its entirety. Alright, we're gonna call this only render visible nodes. Alright, and one last thing. Optimizations. I'm gonna add some release mode optimizations here. And I'm gonna just run this again on against the cargo repo to see if it's any better. I'm just curious. Let's just commit this in the meantime. Set cargo profiles for better performance or worse. Alright, also curious. Let's see how fast it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be pretty good. I mean, remember, cargo... Okay, let me actually see. Cargo... Just cargo. Oh my god, how many cargo stuff I have. So, cargo-tui. And let's count the lines. It's 1000 lines. I mean, I think it's pretty fast. It is pretty fast, guys. I mean, look at this. We are in bench suite, cargo, whatever, and we're just going deep. Just going deep, man. It's pretty good. Approved. Approved. Let's create a PR. Let's create a PR. Optimize traversal. Also fixes everything is fast now. Alright, create pull request. This is my own repo, so I will just merge it. No, not squash. Rebase. Merge. How do you handle boredom during code? You should ask that more generally and just ask, how do you handle boredom during life? I don't. I don't handle it. I'm just used to it at this point. You just ignore it and you just keep grinding, man. You just keep grinding. Alright, closed. Let's move on with other stuff. There was a comment here, I think. Currently at the top is a context menu for the current location rather than for what led to the top item on screen. This ends up being pretty confusing, but it says the criterion is coming from... Oh, okay. So that's a bit bad design on my part. Let me just check out the main. Let's run it. Yeah, this is a bit bad. What should we do though? Wait, what? Criterion is coming from... Oh yeah, okay, I see. There's a UX problem, guys. There's a UX problem. So... where should we show the breadcrumb menu then? Maybe it should be reverse. Any ideas? Guys, I'm literally asking you right now. So the problem is when I scroll, I'm looking at this. Okay, let's look at cargo platform, right? Cargo platform comes from cargo metadata. Actually, that was a bad example. Okay, somewhere is coming from cargo metadata, but this line over here, this connection, goes to cargo-tui. So how should we fix this? How should we fix it? We might possibly... we might possibly highlight... I don't know how to fix it, to be honest. We might indent lineage. Make lineage a struct to hold is selected info and every kind of problem in the code base. Now, what do you mean? And highlight the selected paths using... Okay, there you go. This might make it better. I don't normally cough these days, but like I think I'm 30% sick. I just start coughing when I live stream for some reason. So let's get some suggestion maybe. I don't know, you guys have been very quiet, so I don't know, I'm just gonna ask this very smart programmer over here. Any UX ideas for that breadcrumb at the top? These things need to update, or this was extra in my code. I don't know, I just read it. I just read the code, I don't know what to say. Show the scroll parent instead of selected parent. Breadcrumb reflects the first visible node, not selection. Maybe I could just show like parent. Yeah. Something like parent and then current selection. Maybe I can just show it here somewhere. I don't know. Show me visuals. It's literally the same thing. Come on, just implement it. I think I'm just gonna have like instead of breadcrumb, I think I'm gonna have some like parent is this, and then yeah, parent and then breadcrumb basically. So something like parent x y z and then the breadcrumb. Yeah, looks good. I mean, this is what I would do as well, probably. Good point. Not sure how to improve the UX here, but we could possibly show something like oh, but this is not about a selected one. Shit. Damn. Damn, I don't know. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This should be nice. Let's just run it and see. What the hell? This is not what I wanted. This is wrong. It does not highlight the path to the parent. Maybe highlight colors. I mean, we could possibly just show what the parent is here, but I mean, in that case, if you just very deep in the tree, okay. I think I'm gonna move the breadcrumb to the bottom, and I think I understood what the original issue is saying. I don't know how to store these paths though. No, there's a loop. I mean, almost. Almost. I should probably implement this myself, to be honest. Almost, but it doesn't highlight all the way up. Yeah, I think the visual indication would be a better one to work on for now. I'm gonna check the tui tree widget because they have some kind of a Unicode thing that they use for indicating stuff like these, I guess. Yeah, basically these indications I need to add to the beginning of the lines, I think. Not sure where I can add them though. I mean, this is a tree, like things are connected to each other, right? Maybe I can add it next to the crate name. I gotta steal what they use for that. Let me find the Unicode character. They should have it somewhere. Symbol. Okay, found it. Okay, change something again. Oh my god. It's so broken. Actually, this lineage thing would be nice. Because, I mean, at least we could have some kind of, like, it's good refactor, so I'm gonna keep it around actually. Render visible node. Root label present. Is unselected path. This is not necessary though. Okay, what else? Okay, I can probably just revert all these stuff. There you go. I think this is better. Not sure about this. Selected is last. Oh, I need the is selected one though. Damn. Okay, one sec. Okay, this should work. Lineage is selected. Oh my god. Okay, where do we build that? Oh, we need that info from top somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna actually revert everything. One sec. Alright, so we need is selected and not this thing. Why do we have depth? Lineage depth. What's the other function? Has segments. Okay, those are useful. I'm gonna keep them around. But the other stuff, I'm just gonna refactor them. Yeah, there you go. And then this could be removed. This stuff, there you go. All good. On selected path. Should be good now. I hope. Yeah, it is good. Selection metadata. Okay, removed. Refactor. Use struct for lineage. Okay. New style entries. Those should be shown like based on package has children or whether if it is collapsed or expanded, etc. All right. There's a long comment somewhere. Oh, it's here. Some flags are about applying, removing filters, which I hope we can instead treat as shorthands for expanding, collapsing sections. Target and stuff like that. Yeah. I could see target being a drop down that drives its data same way as the completions. Yeah, I mean, I need to look into them a bit later. Man, there's like a lot of things to do here. Jesus. Why do we have that? What the hell? So weird. Anyways, oh my god, it just like bring back all the unnecessary changes again. What the hell? Okay, I'm just gonna remove those things again. What is being changed here? Root label present style. I don't know. Let's see the div. Oh, you just added the state to that. Why? Oh. Just for this? What is path style? Okay, just gonna do this then. Okay, there you go. You probably collapse these if conditions, to be honest. The whole line is being highlighted. I don't like that. Okay, let's just have some like this. Just add a toggle at the end, I guess. Yeah, just like this, and then it's gonna be fine. There you go. So how does it look, guys? Is it good? Is it too big as a Unicode? Is there like smaller Unicode arrows? Is there any smaller ones? Alright, actually these ones are better, probably. They're smaller. And also, why are we using static strings here? It should be a character, I think. Char. Just chars. All right. Just empty character. There's no empty character. What? Oh, we need to format this, I think. So something like this, maybe. Hey guys, welcome to the stream, by the way. Slightly bolder. Cargo-ish. Okay, we can just use plus. We can just... Damn. We can just use plus, I guess. I really need a T right now, man. Let's just use a plus. So closed is open is that. Close is plus. Let's check it out. No, it's not looking nice. Also, I used the wrong symbol. I mean, plus is looking fine. Hmm. I'm gonna use this one. These are bigger and more sharp. But I mean, I don't like this either. I think I'm gonna just try this one now. It's too distracting, it's too big. Kinda better, I think. This is not super distracting. Oh, when there's nothing, it just like looks a bit weird. Okay, I need to get like maybe a third symbol for no children. What are you trying to add to the package? Just like some styling, like these small arrows basically. I can just use like empty string though. Okay, I'm just gonna use empty string. Okay, so if I collapse everything, looks like this. I think it's pretty good. I mean, you can tell that there's something to expand. So that's good enough for me, I believe. All right. Feed collapse indicator. Add indicator for expand collapse. Closes this issue. Just merge it. Okay. What are we gonna work on next? Let's see. Give different edge types a visual distinction. I think that's gonna be done in okay, actually I can check this out. Name version manifester is proc macro. How do you not have no contribution on GitHub for the last 5 years? What do you mean, man? Oh, you mean like no holidays? Yeah. What do you mean? What is holiday? Dude, Zarko, you seem new here, so I'm gonna just explain the concept. We are grinding. We are grinding. Look up. There's this grindhouse. That's our mindset, okay? And that just like, yeah, that's why. Join us. Join us. Join us. Join the grind. Become a rat. Definitely not a cult. Thank you. The gears. Welcome. This issue is a big one. Not so sure about this. Nice. Keep writing Rust, people. So the biggest thing about this issue is when we scroll down somewhere, there's a let's say this guys, we use English in the chat, please. Thank you. We have global audience here, so please ask questions in English so maybe you can get answer from other people as well, not just me. So there's this dependency, right? This connects to somewhere. We need some position info. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a bit difficult to figure out. Is Rust good for web development? Absolutely. This is a big issue. I'm not so sure. These are about CLI. Actually, I'm gonna create some labels. I think this is done. I think this is. Yeah. Just close it. You can try to contribute to. I mean, I don't know. Depends on your taste. What are you looking for? What really interests you? I can maybe suggest 1 or 2 projects based on what you like to work on. Otherwise, I'm just gonna throw Ratatouille at you, man. Styling, 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 functionality. Okay, I have 3 labels in mind. New label. Styling. Oh my god, the dark reader is making things confusing. I'm gonna turn it off for a second. Styling, functionality, and CLI. Actually, game dev physics. Maybe it's gonna be a bit of a harsh one, but maybe Bevy, I don't know, Bevy stuff, maybe Bevy itself. If you do Bevy itself, it's gonna be a bit of a jump, but maybe check out games built with Bevy, and then just find a game that you like and try to contribute to that. Actually, one sec. Bevy games. Maybe there's a list. Awesome, Bevy. Yeah, there you go. Bevy resources though. I don't know, you gotta find some games built with Rust, and then you can contribute to those games basically. Okay. So basically I'm gonna go and yeah. Close some issues and so on. We don't need these stuff basically. Bin cargo main commands 3-tui. Okay, what's in 3-tui actually? Just like running the tui, so yeah, there you go. Wait, what? I'm confused. Oh my god. I need to ignore some files here. I'm just gonna delete the lines. So we don't need CLI. can just like delete stuff, but it looks weird when I do that. I'm gonna use proper connectors, man. Proper connectors. Oops, what the hell did I do? There you go. I removed the other connectors, man. Damn. Okay, I'm just making ASCII art now, guys. Or something like that. I'm just drawing stuff. Almost there. Oh, come on. Okay, there you go. Can remove this. Yeah, I think it looks pretty similar to cargo structure right now. So it should be straightforward. I think it's gonna be pretty easy to use the current structure as drop-in for cargo code base. Closing. All right, looking good. Let's take a look at the issues again. All right, this is gonna be CLI. CLI. This is styling. This is also styling. Styling. Help bar is functionality. Actually, maybe styling as well. This is functionality. The help bar is also functionality. This is functionality. Alright, I know what to work on next, more or less. Okay. Let's see how bad it looks. I mean, just like 300 lines of state. I mean, look at the UI code. The UI code is just this, guys. Just this, like 10 lines. And the rest is just ratatouille widget implementation. Yeah, we have a lot to do still, but I think today I'm done for today. I mean, unless there's anything else to do, I'm gonna check my notifications. Really quickly. Actually, let me do a rat work stream tomorrow or Saturday, not Saturday, Sunday. I need to do some maintenance for Ratatouille. So the rat works is where I do all of those stuff. In this series, I'm just like working on cargo-tui basically. But yeah, I think I'm done, guys. I have a sore throat now. I gotta just go and do something where I'm not speaking, you know, and just, you know, keep grinding. If you wanna just, you know, join us, I'm gonna leave a link to the chat. We have a Discord link there. And thanks for the good wishes and the good suggestion. Appreciate that. I'll see you in the next one, people. Take care. Rat Chef signing off. Keep grinding. Auf Wiedersehen.